Good morning. Happy Monday, second grade, Miss Bud's class. I wanted to take you through today's assignments through the slideshow, which is what you really should be looking at every day to take you through the assignments that you need to complete. I want to let you know that even though you're at home, these assignments are they're still mandatory, and you're still going to be held accountable for completing these assignments. Even though we're not at school, the work that you submit and the work that you're doing um, will determine your fourth quarter grade. So I want you all to take this seriously and know that this is not just something that's going to occupy your time while you're at home. This is something that your teachers are working really hard on to make sure that you guys are getting what you need, the instruction you need, so you can go to third grade next year. So, having saying that, let's start with the presentation. So you'll go to present mode, and this area right here is where you'll be playing this message, which I'm recording right now. And this is very important that you read it because it will give you instructions and directions on what you need to do and what assignments you need to complete. And a lot of what I'm saying in this video will help you troubleshoot and get through the daily lessons and assignments. So after you've watched this video from me, you'll click to the next slide, which will be BTV. And again, I'm recording this Sunday evening, so I haven't yet gotten the BTV link from Miss Bullock. So when I do, it will be here in this slide when you open it tomorrow morning, and you can watch BTV. Then you'll click to the next slide, and just for fun, here is a read aloud from me. This book I found this morning when I was planning for the following day, and I loved it, and it was funny, and it made me think of you all. So I hope you enjoy this read aloud. So that's there just for you. You don't have to do anything, just listen and hopefully enjoy. Then we'll click to the next slide. So writing. There is no writing today. There's no writing assignment. Not there is no writing today, but there is nothing that you have to turn in to me for writing. After talking with the other second grade teachers, we decided we're going to alternate for now between word study and writing. So today, Monday, you will have no writing assignment that you have to turn in to me. You will have writing on Tuesday and Thursday. So you'll go straight to word study. So word study this week, after looking at some of your writing this past week, I thought maybe we needed to work on what we need to do to write complete sentences in our writing. So that's what we're going to focus on this week in word study. So the first thing I need everybody to do is you can click here or here, and that will take you to a video that will talk to you about subjects and predicates and what you need to make sure that you're writing complete sentences. And once you've watched this video, there will be an assignment in Google Classroom, which is outside of this presentation. So you'll go to your Google Classroom feed or your stream, and you'll find the assignment that says subject and predicate, which is right here. And once you've done that, you'll click here, and this will give you instructions on how to complete the assignment. So I made a video that lets you know what you need to do to complete the assignment and how to turn it in. And so hopefully this will make things a little bit easier for you, because this is a digital assignment that you're not familiar with. And so that's why I made the video, to help you know how to navigate it and complete it and get it turned in. So that's word study for today. And then you'll click to the next slide. So this is something that's very important. This is something that's different from last week. This is the reading slide, so it's not the same for everybody. and it's a work in progress, so please bear with me. So Miss Johnson's group, which it would be Jalea and McKay, your reading assignment will now be in Miss Johnson's Google Classroom, and so I'm working on linking that in here for you. So I think Miss Johnson should be sending you a dojo message to give you information about how to join her classroom. So Jalea and McKay, you all will on Monday complete Miss Johnson's assignment. If for some reason her assignment is not posted, you're more than welcome to complete the assignment that I've assigned for the rest of the class. Miss Pollock's reading group, which is Bryson, again, you'll have to go to her Google Classroom, which I'm pretty sure she sent you an invite to go to her classroom. So instead of doing my assignment, my reading assignment, you'll do Miss Pollock's. And then the same thing goes for Miss Deming's group. So Skylar and Steven, you guys will go to her Google Classroom. And I'm going to work on trying to get all that linked here, but you guys will go to your respective teachers' Google Classroom to get your reading assignments. So you'll be completing Miss Johnson's, Miss Pollock's, or Miss Deming's reading assignment rather than mine. Only if you're Jalea, McKay, Bryson, Steven, and Skylar. Anybody else other than these students here in red will complete the assignment that I've posted for you, which is this. This is everyone else. You'll watch this video, and most all of you might want to watch this because it'll take you back. It's author's purpose video, PIE. You probably all remember it. So even if you're not completing my assignment, you may want to click on this video and just remember when we were at school together and we were having fun, we were learning. So that's for you all. I'm sorry, I kind of got off on a tangent. So anybody else other than these in red will watch this video, and then there will be an activity in Google Classroom that I posted. So you will only see an author's purpose assignment in Google Classroom if you are a student other than Jalea, McKay, Bryson, Skylar, and Steven. So if you are these students, you will not see this assignment. So everybody else other than these in red will watch this video and then complete the assignment and turn it into me. I think that's it for reading this week or ELA. Then we'll go, or not this week, on Monday. So here is your assignments for math. We always begin with Fact Fluency, MobyMax, and then Zern. You should have your username and login. If for some reason you don't, let me know. But I've assigned this specific lesson for you. And then please watch this lesson here. If you'll see to the left from Miss Phillips, you watch that. And then specials today is music. I've linked in here Mr. Camp's Google Classroom for your assignment. If for some reason you have not yet added him, here's the code and you can add his classroom to your account, and that's your specials for today. And then here is some optional activities you can do at home. Again, these are not mandatory. You don't have to do them, but they're here for you if you just want some extra practice. And I've also linked those choice boards on Google Classroom if you need extra practice on anything like that. And you're always welcome to go to Rouse Kids or Epic. Anything like that is always there for you guys to use at home. I'm hoping these videos have been helpful. If you have any questions or your parents or anything you need, please let me know. I can chat with you on GoGuardian. Your parents can send me messages on Dojo. I'm always here to support you. But please know that even though we're at home, we're still in school, and this is important. and you guys are still responsible for completing our assignments. And I'm here to help you. I look forward to this third week of digital learning, and we're all learning together. So please let me help you. I'll be here. And here's to another great week of digital learning. Happy learning this week, guys. Bye.